Good morning and welcome to another episode of Monday Morning Meandering. It was raining earlier today, or at least was for me, so let's talk about stormwater management and green infrastructure here at Woodend. A good way to begin is by learning the difference between permeable and impermeable surfaces, and we have many different types here at Woodend. A permeable surface is one that allows water to percolate into the soil. So this typically means plants, so meadows, gardens. An impermeable surface is one that can't absorb water at all. So that can mean a lot of man-made materials like asphalt and concrete, like the road I'm sitting on right here. The big issue today is that there's a lot of impermeable pavement out there. So when there's a huge storm, water kind of just rushes over it, and it causes a lot of flooding and also reduces water quality in nearby streams. But here at Woodend, 100% of our storm water is treated. So that means that we've replaced a lot of our impermeable surfaces with permeable ones, like the one I'm on right now. And we also created a lot of rain gardens to trap and filter the water from our roads that we couldn't switch out.